with the different types of arguments that we have, we want to be able to evaluate them. Evaluating inductive arguments is rather difficult because we are going from specific examples to a more general conclusion, right? And really, this is what all of science is, right? We have specific examples of things, and then we try to make a general conclusion. And we can't really prove that those general things will always happen, but because we have witnessed evidence many times, we feel that we have strong evidence for it. And so inductive arguments, we will only classify them as weak or strong, okay? And it's really a spectrum, but we'll say that weak is where you have little evidence in support of the general conclusion, and strong is where you have a lot of evidence in support of the conclusion. So let's go ahead and evaluate these two inductive arguments. First, when I went to the store last week, I forgot my purse, and when I went today, I forgot my purse. I always forget my purse when I go to the store. So here we have two specific examples of forgetting our purse when going to the store. We have last week and today. Two examples, and then we're trying to make a conclusion about what always happens. Well, this should feel like a pretty weak argument because just because something happens two times doesn't mean it's always going to happen, right? That's pretty weak reasoning. So this we would classify as a weak inductive argument. This next one, every day for the past year, a plane flies over my house at 2 p.m. A plane will fly over my house every day at 2 p.m. So here, the evidence that we have is every day for the past year. Okay, if something happens every day for the past year, then that's pretty convincing that it's going to continue happening. Okay, it's of course not guaranteed, but it seems like it's very strong evidence. So we would call this a strong inductive argument.